And I got money off the teachers who wanted a piece of me. After all, it's for selling things, and I'm supposed to survive unless it is a piece of, unless it is a piece of me. In the end, there's always fashion, keeps you grounded like what's happening here. Oh, it's just a piece in my head. Oh, it's just a piece in my head. Oh, it's just a piece in my head. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just a piece in my head. And I get postcards from ex-girlfriends who live overseas. Amazes me the shit they send me, and they send them in threes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, after all, it's a give and take, and I'm supposed to reply.